Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Outlook rules for automatic email organization step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Navigate to the Home tab in the main menu. Locate the Rules option in the ribbon. Click on the Rules drop-down menu. Select Manage Rules and Alerts from the options. In the Rules and Alerts dialog box, click on New Rule. Choose a template for your rule from the list provided. Select a blank rule for more customization, then click Next. Specify the conditions for your rule by checking the appropriate box. Click Next to proceed after selecting your conditions. Define the actions you want Outlook to take with the emails that meet your criteria. You can choose to move them to a folder, flag them, or apply categories. Click Next after setting your desired actions. If you want to set any exceptions to your rule, select them in this step. Click Next to continue. Provide a name for your rule in the designated field. Make sure the box for Turn on this rule is checked. If desired, you can also choose to run this rule on messages already in your inbox. Click Finish to complete the rule creation process. In the Rules and Alerts dialog box, click OK to save your changes. Your rule is now active and will begin organizing your emails automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.